At Wearable Microwave, our objective is quality, repeatability, and long-term reliability of the products. That is why we have set up computerized torque drivers for the smallest of screws. Notice that the connector we use has a ring that protrudes slightly, the purpose of which is to make a solid ground connection while minimizing RF leakage. Improper installation can result in intermittent connections and long-term reliability issues. The connector must sit as flat as possible with all screws tightened in a certain sequence. Typically, this connector would be installed using hand tools. This can present several problems. First, everyone feels torque differently, so what feels tight to one person may feel loose to someone else. For optimal torque, the tool must engage the screw perpendicular, and the smaller the screw, the more critical this is. As you would expect, putting these things in by hand will be very inconsistent. The vise fixture ensures that the part is perpendicular, while the gravity arm ensures the tool is perpendicular while allowing total freedom of movement. The computer allows us to precisely control the torque and the sequence. A green light indicates proper torque within the sequence. A blue light indicates successful completion of the sequence. And a red light indicates an alert that something went wrong. Every product we make that uses this type of connector runs through this process. This was just one example of the processes we use here at Wearable Microwave. We have invested in high-quality components and state-of-the-art equipment. We do this so that you know if the part says Wearable, it works. At Wearable Microwave, we aren't just building a brand, we're building a legacy.